Sirain na natin yung box. Again and again, meron tayong bagong modelong i-unbox, si InMotion RS electric scooter, ang highest end ng InMotion brand. Quick specification check tayo ng InMotion RS. We have 72 volts 40 Ah lithium-ion battery that can run up to 160 kilometers per full charge. Motor hub power natin is 4,200 watts per hub. Dual motor to. Top speed natin is around 110 kph. Dual hydraulic disc brakes. 11 inches tubeless tires. C-type suspension. Then meron din tayong dual pole for stability. So yung ganitong design, yung malambot yung suspension pero hindi na kailangan ng steering damper dahil sa dual pole. So very stable to at high speed. Kumpleto rin to sa ilaw. Meron tayong headlight, busina, signal lights. Hanggang dito sa deck merong signal lights yan. Fenders natin, harap likod, meron na din. Naka-equip to ng thumb throttle. Meron tayong 4 inches LCD display. Rubber deck matting para hindi kayo madulas. And lastly, IPX6 rated to. So rainproof tong unit na to. Hindi kayo kakabahan kahit bumagyo or umulan. This unit is now available at Motor Electric. If you have inquiries, kindly message our Facebook page. Ibero. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do. If you want to drop by, we are open 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Sunday with a 12 to 1 p.m. lunch break. We are easy to find on Waze and Google Maps. Just search Motor Electric Vehicle PH Tondo. Address and contact details are on the screen. Ibero.